Hello and welcome to the small workshop again on this autumn day. It's not bad out there actually, looking out the window. The window's behind you, and yeah, it's okay. It's a good autumn day in Dorset in England, in case you're watching from other parts of the world. And if you're near me, then relatively speaking, then fantastic. But love to hear from you all. What this video is about is, as I've been explaining on some of the other videos, I'm making a single bed. So what I'm going to show this part of the video is how I've done the router carving. So I've carved some writing and some hearts and things like that into the wood. So I'm going to show you how I do that and the process of that, the techniques, and hopefully you'll enjoy and like and subscribe. Thanks. So as you can see, I've written on there, I've put that onto the headboard, and now I'm going to router it out. So here we see the finished router carving. As you can see, it's in the headboard, a finished headboard, and you can see the detail there and how that looks. You can do so much with that, and as you come out, as I pan out, actually see the headboard on a bed, a nice single bed. So here we are back in the small workshop, and that's how we do router carving, or that's how I do router carving. There's lots of different ways. For those of you who want to see the actual router bit, it's on a quarter inch router, and there, I don't know if you can see. I'm going. Where's the camera? There it is. Really fine detail. So it's a lovely little bit, and it really means you can do some really fine detail. So just showing that, moving it in and around the camera, and you can buy them anywhere. You can buy them online, or any decent router bits and routering distributor. So there we go. Back soon for more adventures in the small workshop. See you soon. Bye.